है।
जिंदगी जी, मेरी जिंदगी जा रही है। आई वाज लाइक ओह सो क्यूट, मेरे को भी चाहिए। पर मेरे को लगता है, मेरे को हर मूवी में ऐसा लगता है मेरे को भी चाहिए शाहरुख। पहले रेट
अभी
करनी
हमने
है,
काफी
व्हाट डू वांट
नुआंस
टू
डिस्कशन कर लिया यार इस मूवी का, जितना मुझे याद भी नहीं था।
डू।
सैडनेस में डर डर है ना यार, बताओ चाहत में कैसी। nobody even brings up this movie talking about this film also.
What does Shah Rukh Khan
Yeah.
call Pooja Bhatt before he learns her real name?
प्रीति।
Diggy.
I said first. I said first.
Diggy
I
buzz
said first. What are you saying?
Diggy
ऐसा ही
buzzed
होता
a
है।
full second
I-
before you. Hi guys, welcome to 10 रुपए की Pepsi, हमारा शाहरुख sexy. We are three friends who are big Shah Rukh Khan fans, and we've been watching one of his movies every week or 2 weeks, and then we sit down to discuss it, simp about him, share our thoughts about the movie, and so on. So this week we watched a movie called Chahat, which is Shah Rukh Khan and Pooja Bhatt. And I picked this movie. Why did I pick it? I had a really good 2000s movie in mind, which I'm going to pick next. So I wanted to watch a bad 90s movie, and that's why I decided to go with the movie that just sounded or looked bad from the
Yeah,
outside.
because you hadn't watched it. Like it could have been an
Yeah.
amazing movie for all you knew, right?
Which would have been also okay with me, but
Yeah,
I
of
think
course.
my assessment of the film, I judged the book by its cover, and the cover was pretty accurate. I didn't personally like the movie, but okay, we'll get into that.
मतलब बहुत
So
जल्दी आ गया मुझे।
I'm going to attempt a summary of the plot, which is going to be difficult because we watched this movie a really long time ago, and it's been a while since we've
It's
been
been a
able to
month? Like I
sit
don't
down
know.
and record.
How
Maybe, yeah, at
how long has
least
it
two,
been?
three
I think
weeks.
almost a month.
Yeah.
It's been quite a while.
2-3 months नहीं, sorry, 3 weeks or so.
Two,
हाँ, two
three
three
weeks,
months.
yeah.
इतना
I
बोला
mean,
मैंने,
I'm
sorry.
pretty much zoning out in terms of remembering the details of the story. वो जो summary आता है Google प्लॉट के नीचे, उसके थोड़ा आगे भी याद है मुझे. Beyond that, I'm not too sure.
Yeah, if like people have been asking me about the film, I'm like, it's kind of like Aetraz, but not exactly, but like similar vibes. That's
It
all I
starts
remember
building
about the
up to
movie.
it starts building up to movie like Etras, but then it nukes
Yeah.
itself left, right, and center. But let's get into that.
Okay, so quick summary of the plot. Shah Rukh Khan plays Roop Singh Rathod, who's a singer from Rajasthan, as well as his father Shambhunath, who's also a singer, played by Anupam Kher. So Shambhu falls sick and he needs to be taken to Bombay for medical care. He fights it a lot, but like Shah Rukh brings him forcefully to Bombay. And while he's there, he needs money for the treatment, so he finds work at the hotel of Nasiruddin Shah, whose character is Ajay Narang, as a singer. Like Nasiruddin's sister, Reshma, like she's played by Ramya, she falls in love with Roop, and she gets kind of really obsessed with him. And she's like a spoiled rich brat. She's been, always gotten what she wants since she was a child, and her brother loves her in a slightly inappropriate way, which is kind of creepy to watch. But yeah, so that is their equation. But Shah Rukh Khan is kind of unaware of this at the beginning, and he falls in love with Pooja Bhatt, who's also incidentally one of the nurses at the hospital that his father is admitted at. And she's helping treat him, and his father really likes this girl as well, and he wants his son to marry her. Now, Reshma starts getting jealous of how, when Roop is singing, there are other girls who come, and she kind of crosses into that obsessive state where she's like, no, you must sing only for me. And when he refuses her, she goes to her brother crying, and then her brother kind of threatens Shah Rukh Khan into coming back and essentially becoming like a slave in their family. And Shah Rukh Khan tells all of this to Pooja, and he's like, मैं whatever, he's majboor हूँ. And so like Pooja then decides कि मतलब okay, in order
एक
for
second, 1 second, sorry. I want to add something, which is that Shah Rukh goes away and then because उसके father को टीबी कैंसर जो भी होता है, उसको मना होता है कि वो टोबैको पान नहीं खाएगा, and वो खा लेता है, and then he needs to be operated that very night, and that's when he needs the money.
Which is such a
Uh,
weird fucking plot. Like उसने पान खाया and now his life is gone. मतलब उसको
no, but
operation
because
चाहिए.
no, but because उसको already like
I
he
get
maybe
it.
already
I
had a
mean,
cancerous or everything, and he was strictly prohibited to use it.
but it's almost as
I
if
get
they're
it.
treating pan and tobacco as if it's like instant poison. It's not good for you, but you're anyway
But
in
he
the
was
hospital.
already
So एक
sick, right?
pan
And yeah, it was
Yeah,
like it
yeah,
crossed that threshold.
yeah,
with
it
one
crossed that, एक
pan.
तो खून, उस खून की उल्टियां कर रहा था यार वो पहले से, उसकी वजह से तो उसे लाए
मतलब
थे।
फिर भी it's still hard to believe ना कि एक पान खा के उसका, but ठीक है, maybe it's just me.
But yeah, basically वो पहले शाहरुख goes away because he says, I don't want, like, you take this money I've earned from these shows, etc. But then sorry, this girl Ramya Reshma, whatever, she cries, and then Nasiruddin is like, okay, now because you will be a slave, and he also goes back. Shahrukh goes back to her because he's like, I need the money for my father, and that's how the whole slave thing comes into picture in the plot. Go ahead, Isha, sorry.
Yeah. Um, what Preeti said, she remembers the movie better. But yeah, so after Shambhu has an operation, he starts seeing Roop is really unhappy with his new life, and he decides to leave Bombay. Roop also tries to now get out of that kind of bondage that he's created with Ramya and try to leave Bombay along with his father. But Reshma kind of tries to commit suicide when he threatens to do that, and then Ajay, her brother, has like an outburst of anger. And Roop, in the meantime, since he's left Pooja, so Pooja has decided that, okay, in order for Roop to get over me, I need to marry somebody else, because she understands that like he's desperate, and so she, in her own way, she's trying to help him. And she's trying to get married to her best friend, whose wedding, that whole plot line was a little nonsensical. But like Shah Rukh Khan interrupts their wedding, and then everybody's convincing each other what should be done. And finally, Shah Rukh and Pooja Bhatt get married. Um, so now that all of this has happened, Reshma and her brother decide like they want to make these two's lives miserable. And then they track them down to their village in like Rajasthan. And then Ajay puts Roop's father on gallows and a rope tied around his neck. And he's standing on top of Shah Rukh Khan's shoulder. So like, and Shah Rukh's bound. So basically, if he moves, then Anupam Kher will like be forcefully hanged himself. And in front of them, he kind of kidnaps Pooja. And now, like between Roop and his father, they are like, he's upset. They're upset with each other. They're arguing, whatever. And then finally, Anupam Kher pushes Shah Rukh Khan, so he kind of basically sacrifices himself so that Shah Rukh Khan can go and rescue his wife. So he makes his way back to Bombay, and this is where the movie starts getting really fucked up. He's already in a very like, matlab, beaten up
Beaten up
state,
state, yeah,
fractures
quite
idhar
hurt
udhar,
badly.
and
Yeah.
he shows up at the party that like Nasiruddin Shah was throwing, and like his wife is kidnapped inside the bungalow, and like he just lets Nasiruddin hit him. And it gets really I don't know, very violent, and like he keeps standing up and laughing, and he's like nahi lagta, nahi lagta. And yeah, all of this is happening. In the meantime, Reshma is like,
You're really underplaying how absolutely ballistic this scene is.
I'm trying to give a summary. We can talk
ये ना
about the
ऐसे
scene.
बता रही है जैसे गाना बता रही है, नहीं लगता, नहीं लगता, नहीं 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 लगता।
Oh God, nothing. But yeah,
Yeah, so Reshma inside is kind of, threatening to kill Pooja and everything. And then when uh, if Roop doesn't stop fighting with her brother, and then while all of this, it kind of culminates in a climax where they're all on the terrace, and then Shah Rukh Khan at a point reaches this like very psychotic rage where he starts beating the crap out of Nasiruddin Shah, and Reshma is standing on top of the roof. She's threatening to like push Pooja over. When Shahrukh goes to kind of rescue her, Nasiruddin Shah shoots, but they both manage to avoid, and then Reshma gets shot instead. And yeah, and then he's like Ajay is left in a state of complete kind of shock,
shock.
and Roop
Yeah.
and Pooja escape, and like happily ever after. So that is the plot of the story.
Wow, Diksha, I am so proud of you and Wikipedia. Love it.
अरे मतलब प्लॉट सुन के ही लोगों को अजीब लगेगा कि ये क्या चल रहा है इस मूवी।
हाँ, मतलब अगर
एंड
उस पिछले 4-5 मिनट का कुछ भी समझ में आया है तो बहुत बड़ी बात है, क्योंकि मुझे बोलते हुए भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा था कि मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ। मैं बस उसको पढ़ पढ़ के थोड़ा हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करके ऐसे सुना रही हूँ स्टोरी।
पैराफ्रेजिंग इज लाइक असाइनमेंट कॉपी कर रहे हैं किसी का paraphrase.com पे।
Yes, so
Yeah.
ChatGPT of Chahat aside, what did you guys think of the film, Preeti?
Okay. Before, what did I think of the movie? मैंने मूवी एक्चुअली पहले देखी हुई है बचपन में. Not my first watch. I remember bits and parts of it as a child, mostly because of the songs, as it usually is. Uh, I didn't remember that it was the OG Aitaraz trial show, but मैंने बचपन में देखी हुई है and उस टाइम पे तो कुछ समझ नहीं आया था मुझे apart from the songs. उसके बाद नहीं देखी. This was my first like in that way कि as memory you can say that this was my first watch in that manner कि मैंने बहुत ही ध्यान से देखी थी. उतने ध्यान से देखने तो नहीं चाहिए थे मुझे ऐसा लगता है बट actually I will disagree little bit that I think I mostly enjoyed the movie. It wasn't a very, I don't know, I wouldn't call it a very cringe watch
Did you
bad movie
unironically
whatever
enjoy it?
whatever.
Like you thought के
मतलब
is it like
unironically
a
in the
hate
sense
watch
कि
कि नहीं it's so bad it's so
no
good
no
but
no
ठीक है
no
No,
कुछ
I
कुछ
I
fun
think she
don't
parts
actually
हैं
liked it.
but you actually like it for
मतलब
its content.
So I think there were beach में it just became little bit everywhere like every Mahesh Bhatt movie is. I think Mahesh Bhatt movies are a little bit chaotic. That's his style of movie making. I think, but what like I didn't hate the concept, but like I don't know. Like of course, बहुत complex चीजें थी उस movie में. But it wasn't a bad like yeah, it wasn't a bad experience. Like I enjoyed most parts of the movie. The first half I was very hooked into. I think the second half when he's like when Shahrukh tells Pooja that hey, you know what, I need to go away, so please you go. I think from that point, it mixes up a little bit, and they were trying to do multiple things in the movie, the rich poor gap situation and how they are more powerful and eat the rich and those things. I think they were trying somewhere, but got lost. The change of genders and roles, and showing, I don't know, like Ramya was amazing in the movie. Like it was her eyes, the way she captured the whole presence of showing that
Wait, I
obsessive
think this
Ramya
behavior.
merits
was
a time
like,
to tell people who
yeah,
Ramya is, because most people don't know. Ramya is the woman who plays Naseeruddin Shah's
Mahishmati,
sister.
Samrajya,
Yeah, and is the
Shivgami
mother
Devi.
of Bahubali, Shivgami.
Yeah, and in this movie, she plays like a really spoiled rich brat who's completely obsessed and like very lustful for Shah Rukh Khan. And it was just very like shocking to make that realization that it's the same person. Yeah,
Yeah.
that was
Yeah, like for me, it was like she was really good in the movie, and even though she was doing psychotic things and everything, like she believed in the like what she was doing, I guess. So you
yeah,
could,
she's a
I was
great actor,
fearful
like
of her,
really good.
yeah.
Yeah.
So मतलब वो जब भी आ रही थी तो it was uncomfortable to watch, and I think whenever actors can do that, I think they're doing at least a good job. I'm not a fan of the genre per se, but I would say that there was some nuance in the way they were doing it. And I think the last few वो पूरा वो जो लड़ाई वाला सीन है, वो जो प्लॉट है जिसमें वो अनुपम खेर और शाहरुख नसरुद्दीन को घोड़े और मारे, पता नहीं whatever that happened in the village, that wasn't really something I liked much. But first half, like it's cutesy also. Their romance is cute. Pooja's and Shahrukh's, the whole. I wanted it to be a romantic movie, honestly. I guess that's what I was wanting for, and that didn't happen. But otherwise, yeah, I had a decent time watching it.
Half of the movie is that only. I mean, so that's why this movie sets it up really well. Like I was initially very intrigued about it. Like I remember, like I haven't watched the movie, but I remember the song "Daddy Cool, Daddy Cool." I'm pretty sure कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ी थोड़ी देखी होगी. हाँ. Yeah, that song I think everybody's heard as a kid, but you never see it that this movie. इसमें यही था. I think it it set up a very good stage. At least initially, the first half was really good because you can see the cutesy romance between Shah Rukh and Pooja Bhatt sort of building up very nicely. Sort of serendipitously, his father has also selected her independently as his bahu, and वो सब काफी अच्छी तरह हो रहा था. And also, yeah, I mean, I think they did the part with Ramya quite well because you felt bad for Shah Rukh for being stuck in a, and it's not always easy to do this when the gender roles are reversed. People need to be performing like they're acting really well because I don't know the people the way everybody's conditioned they don't equate the two situations like a Shah Rukh in Dar versus Ramya and Chahat. I mean obviously it's not the same thing but it's similarly a psychotic
No,
obsessive
for
love.
one
Yeah.
could draw parallels for sure. Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, the fact that you genuinely felt bad for Juhi and genuinely felt bad for Shah Rukh, even when like, she's not doing anything violent, she's just not respecting his space also. No, Whitney done a very good job of acting, but it comes off the amount of steps, the obsessions he has, and her, especially her relationship with her brother Nasruddin Shah, which is borders on very Game of Thrones vibes. मतलब ये because he's
बहुत
there
incestuous था भाई, and
बहुत insane.
kudos to Nasir's acting skills also. Like it is shown, like even Nasir has done such, like he's a great actor. I have so much respect for Nasir Shah, and yeah, like बहुत ही incestuous है यार. Like वो शाहरुख बोलता है बीच में, इतना प्यार तो किसी भाई ने अपनी बहन से किया ही नहीं होगा, और मुझे लगा था yes bro, me too, I also think so.
I remember that line. It's such a
It is a
but
Mahesh Bhatt
see
film
those
after
are
all.
the good parts of the movies. Really well done. First hour, like I'm genuinely intrigued क्या होने वाला है, and I was hoping it to play on that a little more, where the conflict remains between his love and
Yeah, they
the girl
let
affairs.
go the conflict actually, because
They
conflict is in,
completely let go of that, and he
हाँ.
immediately is sort of goes away, and it just turns into a weird masala action. I don't know, didn't really kill it for me.
So I kind of see why Preeti liked the movie, and I also see what Diggy is talking about. For me, it's a genre that I absolutely don't like as in it just gives me off vibes, and it's not how I want to spend my free time, right? But I do feel like the performances were all really good. All like every cast member was fabulous. And like I think the build-up was good, but it's just not like a plot that I would enjoy watching. It's the kind of book which like book or movie that I'd read or watch and I'd be like, "Hey, this is fine, whatever." It's a movie that you can appreciate without liking, that kind of a movie.
Yeah,
I actually did like the climax though. I felt like that it had the complete everything it needed to make the viewer very uncomfortable. Like I was on the edge of my seat. I was afraid, and I was also like, really like aghast at what was happening. Like, this guy, he's literally, I say, it felt like he's getting up with like every bone in his body broken, and he's still like laughing that very, like, villainous kind of laugh. Like he's just gone over the edge. Like these two brother and sister have just pushed him over the edge, and that was really showing. Like one of, I think that Shah Rukh performance, of course, was amazing, and I think that scene was superbly done. So that part, I think I liked, but in general, not a movie I'd probably watch again. It's just like it's not bad, but it's not something I'm interested in.
yeah.
I
So I
think
think for me it was बीच का, जब वो गांव में उसको किडनैप करने आते हैं, वो जो सारा अनुपम खेर डेथ एंड एवरीथिंग ना, दैट बिट आई थिंक फॉर मी वाज अ लिटिल बिट नॉट माय, कि वो उसको जला के आता है एंड देन ही, बट व्हेन ही इज बैक इन द सिटी, और वो छत पे ऊपर से चढ़ता है विद हिज, लाइक विद शाहरुख ब्रोकन बोन, लाइक रूप्स ब्रोकन बोन्स, एंड उसने सारे म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट से अपने आप को बांधा हुआ है. That's a memory which is
Very
like for some
symbolic.
reason, yeah, for me, मेरे लिए वो बहुत ही टाइम से बचपन से मुझे याद भी है, but very symbolic of the representation they wanted to do, and the pushing, the guy over the edge and all of that, to a level that he's like, I am not scared of you anymore. So I think that was really done well, but it loses its bits here and there in like
I
some
think
parts.
it has an impact because I don't think it's done well, the whole scene. मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता वो they're trying to land something very symbolic by putting all the musical instruments on Shahrukh, but and how they've picturized the whole scene where he's crazy, where he keeps hurting himself and asking him कि नहीं लगता मुझे, and telling like Nasruddin Shah कि नहीं लगता, and he starts hitting him back and then keeps asking him तुझे लगता है क्या, and he's doing that in his most best psychotic self. So I think what works is Shahrukh because he plays a psychotic person very well. Undoubtedly, whenever he's supposed to play office rockers, वो उसको बहुत अच्छी convincingly करेगा. So I think that's why उस scene का impact रहता है. But otherwise, मुझे तो बहुत ही average सा climax लगा था, and somehow the movie moves very fast. Like they're in Mumbai, suddenly Shahrukh just immediately leaves Ramya, gets married to
Yeah, I think
goes
the
to
editing is
Pooja
a little
Bhatt.
weird
Yeah,
for
it's
sure.
so
Yeah, the
editing.
editing is
Goes to Pooja
choppy.
Bhatt. She's getting married. No, she's not getting married.
Yeah,
But
that
now they're
whole
getting
arc
married.
seems so weird that like
Yeah.
I first, I like the fact that he brought her there and then he explained to her what situation he's in, and
Yeah,
it's like they took the decision together. And but then after that, immediately all of that was meaningless. Like the unka bichhadna, and it wasn't even like, it happened for a good chunk of the movie and then they reunited. It was within like 10-15 minutes that whole arc was thrown out the window. Like he hardly spent maybe one or two sessions with Ramya, probably in like one or two scenes with Ramya he shared in that interim, and that's it. That
Yeah,
was,
and
yeah.
then the whole the friend who liked her arc, and then he's getting married, and then she's fighting for him कि he was there for me and all of that. I'm like, अभी 2 दिन भी तो नहीं हुए बहन, क्या हो गया?
But I
ये
think
चल
that
क्या रहा
that
है?
was her trying to like send Roop away, right? Like she knew he'd be in danger if he continued down the path that he was there for, and like she was just trying one last time to just like send him away. That's what it felt like to me.
आई थिंक फॉर मी इट वाज लाइक कि जब उन्होंने साथ में डिसीजन ले ही लिया था कि ये तुम अपने पापा के लिए कर रहे हो, और श्रवण कुमार एंड ऑल दैट थिंग, डायलॉग बाजी दैट दे डिड, सो आई वाज लाइक इन माय हेड कि हाँ ठीक है, तुमने डिसाइड कर लिया ना, अब वो ऑपरेशन कराओ, पैसे जमाओ, फिर उसके बाद छोड़ दो. इवेंचुअली दैट्स व्हाट रूप एंड्स अप डूइंग ना. So I don't know. For me, that bit was a little messy, messily done. Yeah, but Shah Rukh works through and through. Oh my God,
He's
I
very cute in all
in
the scenes with Pooja Bhatt, like, and he's
he
उसकी
very,
is
एक्टिंग तो
too
बहुत अच्छी है
cute.
एक्चुअली.
yeah,
हाँ मतलब he's acted way better than this movie merited मेरे हिसाब से.
definitely.
The way
And
he
across the
said
board I think people
"जिंदगी
are
जी,
acting is okay.
जिंदगी जी, मेरी जिंदगी जा रही है." I was like, oh so cute, मेरे को भी चाहिए. पर मेरे को लगता है, मेरे को हर मूवी में ऐसा लगता है मेरे को भी चाहिए शाहरुख. So I think I should shut up.
He was so
You know
But
cute
yeah.
with
मतलब
Pooja Bhatt, and he's so stern with Ramya. Like you can see the difference in like character come out based on who he's with, and that was also really nice to see. I think like the Shah Rukh and Nasir equation also I really liked. Like as in that whole I don't know. I felt like for the first time they were pitted against each other in a scene. Like as in they were kind of the leads of the film in a way. And that was a very interesting dynamic also to watch.
For me, when Nasir takes him to the ex-boyfriend husband of her, जो भी husband है, husband ही होता है ना, मंगलसूत्र पहनाते हैं ना उसको, हाँ.
husband or
तो
the
उसके
ex-husband of his sister.
हाँ,
Yeah.
वो जो उसके घर जाता है जब वो रोई होती है, and I think the walls have blood on it, and he's like Nasir Shah is so psychopathic that उसने हटाया नहीं है इतने सालों से, और वो उसको जाके दिखा रहा है. मेरे को अभी like because I rewatched it today, here and there, and I was like, oh my God, what
Did you watch the whole thing?
I mostly watched it, skipped here and there, and last का climax नहीं देखा मैंने, बस
And
because I didn't feel like watching it
now that you
again.
mentioned
हाँ.
like Nasir's psychotic side, one more thing I liked about the climax was that I felt like Shah Rukh's entire display brought out like the animal in Nasiruddin Shah in front of all of his like rich upper class
Yeah.
elite friends. And that was also sort of like a loss for him. Like even though Shah Rukh is the one jo maar kha raha hai, it's like his truth is out in the open. Like how savage and like ruthless he is. That I felt like I just quickly fast forwarded through the movie, but that scene was pretty impactful when I watched it second time around
Yeah,
also.
actually,
Yeah, because
because
as
in the first, sorry, so in the first scene
yeah,
when
that's
it
what I was
starts
gonna
off,
say.
I mean, he tries very hard to preserve that facade, right? When the
Yeah,
minister starts abusing him, he's very respectful. Although, like 10 minutes back, he's
he was beating the
threatened
crap
him,
out of him. Yeah.
beating crap out
In
of him in the
the
bathroom.
toilet. Yeah.
Yeah, but outside of that, he's in front of everybody. He's being a very nice guy. So that's a good parallel I think they try to draw, which now that you mention it does land.
Yeah, I think they try too many things. That's what I think. Like I think sometimes Mahesh Bhatt movies are where like are too chaotic in that way that they try to land with too many complex behaviors of human, class, all of those things. और वो फिर ना अच्छे से लैंड नहीं हो पाता है. But like the actors did such a like fabulous job. And I also agree with what Diksha said, that I appreciate the movie. I'm not sure I will I like it enough as a genre, what they were doing. So yeah.
See, I think if you're making this movie now, have the courage to go all the way. Show a proper,
हाँ.
like the impacts of what Ramya is doing to Shah Rukh and
Yeah,
how,
रम्या वाला तो बिल्कुल मुझे
yeah,
लगा कि they lost it because कितना
they
they were
completely
so
lost.
Yeah.
Like
they had
she had such an important
such a
character
great
in the
actor.
yeah
हाँ,
second half में
it
उसका
was
role ही नहीं
so
था
good.
except for just sort of wailing about, crying, and Nasir sort of giving it to all of whims and fancies. Then you go like what Aitraj did, right? They
Yeah.
didn't turn that into a slugfest. They didn't turn that into unnecessary drama. It went into the nuance of a relationship gone bad and like other things that happened there. But इसमें it was just so weird. Like it almost as if they were playing it safe. कि नहीं नहीं, let's have an action scene at the end. Let's have them nicely
Yeah.
get married in the mandir also. Let's go back. थोड़ा conflict दिखाते हैं. Sacrifice दिखा देते हैं father की.
गांव का सीन भी दिखा देते हैं, लड़की किडनैप हो
हाँ
रही है
तो
हाँ.
वो दिखा देते हैं.
yeah, and because of that the editing really couldn't keep up with how fast the movie was changing. and it's because of that you were completely taken out of the movie. Like first half, I enjoyed. I remember watching it and thinking, "Yeah, sahi hai. I didn't know this movie was trying to build such a good story." But then they completely lose the plot, like in the second half. And
So
despite
did
everyone's
we.
very good acting, Shah Rukh, Nasruddin Shah, and Pooja Bhatt for that matter, yeah, I don't remember watching her in a lot of movies, but this movie I felt like at least their pairing also was quite nice. It was quite cute also.
They look
I think
nice together.
one
I think,
one other
please,
parallel that I want to draw is between Dar and this one. Specifically like the ending of the psychotic character. Like in Dar, Shah Rukh Khan has this moment on his face where when Juhi Chawla realizes that, like, when he realizes that Juhi Chawla doesn't love him, and like it
and wants to
actually
him to be
registers
dead.
as a shock to him. And that scene I felt was super impactful. I felt like the equivalent to that they try to do in this is when Ramya was shot and when she was about to die, the last thing she says is that, हम unki चाहत जीत गई, हम हार गए. And it just
Hmm.
was so cheesy and didn't land at all.
Yeah.
Like I felt like that just it immediately registered for me, like while I was watching, this is what they were trying to do, was, give that moment of
Hmm.
realization to the psychotic person that, like, they are in the wrong. But it didn't land at all. That was super disappointing, I thought.
Did you have any favorite moments? Like, should we just simp about the movie? Because I don't think people ने
Yeah,
rate
अभी
कर
हमने
लिया है.
काफी
What do you want to
नुआंस डिस्कशन कर लिया यार इस मूवी का, जितना मुझे याद भी नहीं था.
do?
पैनल्स में डर है ना, और यार बताओ चाहत में किसी nobody even brings up this movie talking about his filmography.
Yeah, I'm
But
also
if you think
surprised how
about
well I
it,
remember it. Like, I've seen so many films in the interim between when we watched it and when we're recording it.
Yeah.
but yeah, but I think that's what that's what good actors do to a movie. I think they will remain with you. And that's why I'm saying when I saw these scenes when I was a kid, like 4 5 years old. I don't know, 96 it came, I think so. So DD1 पे कभी देखी होगी. And then also I remember that whole parallel of so music instruments को बांध के वो मार रहा है, this rich boy and poor thing. Like all of these things are still like are in my memory only because I think it's like the people who were doing that scene were Shah Rukh and Naseer, and the way they show up and they like somewhere in your subconscious live. I don't know. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but yes.
Should we simp?
Yeah. I have so
Same.
many things to say for Shah Rukh.
I don't have like
Oh,
scenes
अच्छा.
specifically that I remember very well, but I generally did like his equation with Pooja Bhatt, like the juice share कर रहे हैं वो सब, मतलब very cute moments. जैसे immediate scene I cannot describe, but like their equation was cute. I think the whole, like, him getting beaten up, standing back up, laughing was highlight for me. Like that is what I will remember from this film when I think of Shah Rukh. Like, just covered in blood, ऐसे limbs are hanging, like he has how many broken bones, and insane, really good acting.
Yeah, I know
I
my same
think
moment.
बताओ.
मतलब, there are two of them. One is I think the song between Shah Rukh and Pooja Bhatt after it comes out that they're getting married, and she is the woman his father has selected for her, and she also obviously likes her, and she keeps on trying to get him to actually confess, "Okay, yaar, I know I like you, you like me. Why don't you say it?" Because he's the guy and he's supposed to say it. But when eventually all that happens, there's a very nice, cute song. गाना मुझे याद नहीं कौन सा था,
चाहत का
but
टाइटल ट्रैक.
what, yeah,
चाहत न
see it.
होती कुछ
हाँ, yeah, चाहत ना ऐसे ना होती है, something like that.
होता,
Yeah, but
मैं भी ना
उसमें
होती तो
Shahrukh
भी ना
is
होता.
looking like, and obviously they've completely taken him out of the village singer वाला look.
Daddy,
Given a complete
cool,
change.
cool.
Cool.
Yeah, complete city boy look. That was like that whole chemistry really comes out. Overall, I think इन दोनों की chemistry काफी अच्छी थी. तो
I
उस
think
गाने में
Anupam
काफी
Kher
अच्छी
and Shah
तरह
Rukh का
थी.
chemistry भी बहुत अच्छा था. That Daddy Cool
Yeah, that's
song
what
now
I
that we
was
were
gonna
singing, it
say.
was very
They
That's
they
pure.
a
they've always had a nice good
Yeah,
pairing
father
या फेरी.
son.
Father son को हमेशा अच्छा सा ही रहा है. And I think the last scene when he goes completely crazy, like where he's hitting himself and then he's beating up Nasruddin Shah. मतलब वो देख के you feel कि this is a broken man taken to his extremities and then sort of splitting apart at that. Uh, so although the movie was all over the place, that because it was all over the places, it demanded a lot of different kinds of acting from specifically Shah Rukh because he's the one going through all of it. So ends up being a good acting performance. So that came out in
I have
Preeti?
so many. Yeah.
Bolo
I
as
want to.
usual.
So, as usual, I think for me it was also the Daddy Cool me because he's wearing these ankle length trousers and then dancing. क्या जब अनुपम खेर बोलता है कम उम्र की बीवी ला दूंगा, राजस्थान रिप्रेजेंट गाइस.
हाँ.
But
Did this
yes,
resonate with you more?
That's why
Karan
Preeti
Arjun ने तो
liked
उनकी
this movie.
that's why
That's why she liked it better than Karan Arjun.
कि उसको चाइल्ड मैरिज
Because
है
child
इसमें.
marriage is
और
there, represented.
करण
no,
अर्जुन
no,
नहीं था
no.
तो उसको लगा ये क्या है.
लेकिन
नॉनसेंस.
guys, I want to bring this back to कि वो बड़े मतलब there is the father in law अनुपम खेर के लिए लाइन है कि अगर वो कुत्ते को बच्चा मानेगी तो तुम कुत्ते को बच्चा मानना, और जरूरी नहीं है बच्चा पैदा करने की, something like that. There is a line in the song, daddy cool cool cool, मेरा बेटा cool, and I was like yes, so progressive, I like this. Thank you Anu Malik.
Yeah,
Only few
that's quite
times you
funny.
say thank you to Anu Malik, but yeah. So there are certain steps that Shah Rukh is doing in that whole outfit of short ankle length trousers and all that. He's looking so cute in that song. Beautiful, he's looking. Then there is this whole scene where he's like कि मर जाओ, मतलब वो बोलता है कि आप मर जाओगे, छोड़ के मर जाओ अनुपम खेर को. When he says कि गांव से बॉम्बे चलते हैं अपने आप को दिखाने के लिए and all that. There's such, they share such banter all the time together. And then when they're talking, when he's talking to his dead mom Upar Parvati, that she's called around the Tulsi ka ped, and वो तो दोनों आपस में शेयर करते हैं, पर अच्छा सा क्यूट सा मोमेंट है. एंड देन what his name Anupam Kher says कि we are not just father son, we have a relationship of friends and everything. And the way they both hold together, it's like, for me that was a really cute moment. All the scenes between Pooja and Shah Rukh were really good, especially the coffee scene. वो उसको वहां पे मिल जाती है, फिर उसको चाय की प्याली पिला, जो भी उसको पैसे मिल जाते हैं, वो बताता है कि मुझे नौकरी मिल गई है. एंड द वे he tells her, it is so cutely done. And then they both sit at the table and they're both thinking about कि हम एक दूसरे को कैसे बताएंगे हम दूसरे को पसंद करते हैं. और वो जूस पी रहा होता है. I'm sorry, I'm going to describe this scene because it is so cute that he is drinking, like sipping with a straw, and then he is so enamored or whatever, nervous, that वो straw ऊपर लाता है और सारा का सारा जूस नीचे गिर जाता है. I found it so cute. So cute. And then Pooja Bhatt is so frustrated कि साले बोल ना, मैं जा रही हूँ यहाँ से वरना. Like that whole scene is really, even when like they actually do hug each other for the first time in front of their dad, I was like, oh, this is so cute. I really like them. So yeah, anyway, like yeah, those were my cutesy simp moment. Also, I have one simp moment for the it's not a simp moment, but as an acting thing. Apart from the scene that you guys discussed, the scene where actually Ramya is trying to throw herself on him, and he is just trying to tell her that, hey, you know what? No, 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 please just get out, whatever. And then she calls this Pooja a bitch. Like she says, वो कौन है ये कमीनी bitch. Yeah. And then Shah Rukh loses it. How dare you call her anything? I will kill you if you say something like this for my love partner, whatnot. You will never understand what love is and all that. And I think it was real in that one moment. The way it shifts, the energy shifts, and that scene between the two of them, it is done extremely beautifully. And I think no one else could have, in my head, done it better than Shah in that scene. So yeah, sorry, those were my sim moments. If I have bored you, I will, yeah. Anyway, stop my rambling. I love Shah Rukh.
Really?
चलो
हमें तो
ठीक
पता
है.
ही नहीं था.
हाँ,
Oh, also,
brand new
sorry.
information.
I have one more scene जो मैंने कब
Of
से
course.
सोचा हुआ है, मुझे बताया ना, मैं भूल ही गई. Sorry.
I'm finding out more about the movie from
I know.
like
I
sim
did like
moment.
I vaguely remembered most of these scenes and Preeti is describing और
Yeah,
हाँ ये भी तो हुआ था.
whole detail में बता रही है वो कॉफी शॉप गए थे. हाँ, मुझे काइंड ऑफ शायद लगता है वो गए थे. वो प्रीति को बता रही है कि उसमें वो जूस कैसे पी रहा था.
उसमें बर्गर 12 कितने रुपए का था, 24 रुपए का बर्गर था यार. मेरे को वो भी याद है, पोस्टर में 24 रुपए लिखा हुआ था ना. वाओ, ये भी
I'm
जमाने
so
होते
glad
थे.
इस मूवी का क्विज प्रीति नहीं प्रिपेयर कर रही है. मतलब मुझे नहीं देना पड़ेगा.
मतलब मुझे लगता है ऐसा क्वेश्चन क्यों कर रहे हैं. प्रीति को दे देना. प्रीति इज द विनर ऑफ दिस क्विज. मुझे एक भी आंसर नहीं याद रहेगा ऐसे तो.
नहीं मैंने ऐसे
But anyway,
मिक्स ऑफ
अच्छा मुझे एक बार अपना सिम मोमेंट
सॉरी
मुझे,
बोल
प्लीज.
अभी खत्म
हाँ,
नहीं हुआ सिम मोमेंट तेरा.
एक लास्ट.
अच्छा.
ठीक है यार, this podcast is just for Shahrukh. Okay, so the first time Shahrukh enters the Narang family's party when he's नीचे और सब लड़ाई हो जाती है गाने के लिए, so he starts singing दिल की तन्हाई को आवाज बना लेते हैं, and then there is this very cute scene where he is moving away from the harmonium to sing in the public, और वो ऐसे it's I don't know, it's done very cutely by Shahrukh that वो उसको जैसे मतलब he touches the harmonium like like हम books को करते हैं, you know, like सरस्वती माँ है, so you will like respect it and then move away. It is just a small addition to the song, but it really, I don't know, it's always been stuck in my head. Also, that song in itself, I really enjoy. So I think the whole picturization in itself is वेरी ब्यूटीफुल। और सब कुछ मुझे गाना अच्छा लगता है, तो मेरे को बचपन में मेरे को इसके लिरिक्स सब when I grew up a little and then I started to understand what the song is saying कि दिल की तन्हाई को आवाज बना देते हैं, दर्द जब हद से गुजरता है तो गा लेते हैं। Like yes, this is my sad Preeti version. I will tell people why I like to sing so much. But anyway, so yes, that was my last thing.
थोड़ा
Sorry.
मतलब I understood because I knew the lyric you were explaining, but yeah, थोड़ा धीरे बोल सकते हैं।
दिल की तन्हाई को आवाज बना लेते हैं, दर्द जब हद से गुजरता है तो गा लेते हैं। इतनी खुशी से नहीं गाता है वो जैसे मैं गा रही हूँ, but still
हाँ
that's the song.
Yeah, but that
that's
is a
the
very
song he's
beautiful lyric.
singing when he wants
When
money,
he's
right? Wants to raise money. That's the
तो
song.
पहले भी शुरू
हाँ
में
हाँ
first song also when he is there at that party, and the second time when he is lost
Oh,
everything,
अच्छा।
उसके फादर का ऑपरेशन होना है, so वो ट्रेन स्टेशन पे गाता है जब उसको
हाँ
लोग
हाँ हाँ।
1 रुपए
Yeah,
2 रुपए देते हैं। Yeah, very beautifully shot that also at the revision though. Yeah, I
true.
think I will
Nicely done.
take a breath, long breath, because I think I've spoken for ऐसे लग रहा था
Cool.
yes.
ratings, reviews, will you watch again? Will you watch for anybody other than Shahrukh? I think for me, definitely not watching anybody other than Shahrukh.
Same.
2.5, maybe 2.5 to 3, somewhere in that.
I think for me, three. The music was good, the acting was good. Probably the plot could have been a little bit more tighter, but yeah, like mostly enjoyed it. Will I rewatch it? I'm not too sure. खुद से जाके तो नहीं लगाऊंगी. Yeah, so but yeah, maybe I'll rewatch the songs, some of the songs, not all of them.
मैं तो
Maybe.
नहीं देख रहा मूवी वापस से। मतलब मेरे को काफी क्लैरिटी है इस बात की, ना मैं किसी को दिखा रहा हूँ। बट आई थिंक समवेयर बिटवीन 2.5 3, because I do want to give merit to the fact that first half was good and सबकी acting अच्छी, and attempt was there to show a nuance, show some nuance to that kind of relationship, and they blew all of it up in the second half. So उसलिए I think it's just between 2.5 to 3 star, otherwise तो काफी average ही थी।
Okay, let's do the quiz.
Let's do the quiz. Disha, please, आसान सा
Oh.
quiz, ऐसा
Yeah, it's a
actor
very
कौन
like
है?
mix of some observational and some gen trivia, like
ऑब्जर्वेशनल तो
not
मुझे
related to
मूवी
the
नहीं
movie.
याद है, मूवी की ऑब्जर्वेशन कैसे याद
नहीं,
रहेगी यार?
easy observations, ज़्यादा complex नहीं.
बस।
But ठीक है, same rules, buzz with your name, and
Oh
मतलब
shit, हाँ वो भी तो
in
करना होता
this
है।
one I'll make one rule कि मतलब if you buzz before I finish the question, I'll not finish the question, so you have to answer whatever it is. ठीक है?
Okay.
Okay. So first question, Mahesh Bhatt has directed SRK in another film which flopped. Which one?
Preeti,
Yeah,
duplicate.
yeah, that's correct. So +1 to
I didn't know that. मतलब today I learned वाला situation हो रहा है। It's not even oh shit, I knew
Really?
that. No, I had no idea. नहीं याद था यार महेश भट्ट was a director।
Yeah, I also was surprised to learn that. That's why I added the questions. Yeah, okay. So 1 point to Preeti.
But I did know Duplicate was a flop. वो I found out recently। मुझे वैसे लगता था in my mind कि Duplicate was a hit,
क्योंकि अच्छी
because
लगती है ना मूवी.
मुझे तो
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छी मूवी लगी थी यार। When I saw the movie
मेरे
I was like, क्या
महबूब
funny movie है,
मेरे
what a
सनम.
good song। And I don't know it, अभी पता लगा मुझे कुछ दिन पहले when I saw the collections for some reason। Very disappointing।
Yeah.
Okay, next question.
Okay.
Plus
Next
one.
question.
Diggy, you want to know the score?
तू ले जा यार। I have no chances in this।
What is Anupam Kher's wife's name in the movie?
Preeti Parvati, na?
Yes, Parvati is correct.
Oh, wow। Okay।
Okay. Next question. So the opening credit sequence shows stills from where?
Preeti.
Yeah.
Jaipur, the
Jaipur is enough.
what
That's the answer.
वो क्या
दीक्षा
है वो
बोलते हैं
उसके
दरवाजा,
आगे भी
व्हाट इज
बोले
इट
जा रही थी।
कॉल्ड?
हवा महल की बात कर रही हो?
मतलब हवा महल की, हाँ हाँ हवा महल, हवा
Oh,
महल।
Okay.
एंड यू नो व्हाट आई वाज थिंकिंग कि एक मूवी हमने देखी थी अभी पीछे जिसमें बॉम्बे का वो
English बाबू देसी में, yeah,
हाँ उसमें वो क्या है वो गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया आ रहा था ना धीरे 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 करके, सो यस
yeah.
एनीवे हाँ।
Okay. Next question. So there's another movie set in Rajasthan that features both Nasiruddin Shah and Shah Rukh Khan. Which is it? हाँ प्रीति? No, that's not
चमत्कार
correct.
सेट मुंबई है, I think, नहीं?
करण अर्जुन में नसीरुद्दीन तो याद ही नहीं है, पता नहीं। करण अर्जुन इज माय
You
आंसर।
wanna think for a minute? Okay, Karan Arjun is wrong. You already gave Chamatkar as the answer, so anyway, it was not. You just eliminated a guess for Diggy.
Give me like 30 seconds, नहीं है,
ठीक है. I can give a hint and then half points.
yeah, sure. Is it Paheli?
Paheli is correct.
Yeah. राजस्थान तो figured. एक ही याद है मुझे तो, शाहरुख खान की.
Diggy gets 1 point. Okay,
Who
so
I didn't
the
expect to get a
next,
single point. I have already won in my eyes.
so the next question,
Good.
it's gonna be like I'll ask it and then so since Preeti is leading right now, she gets to start.
Yeah.
So I'll ask a question. Basically, you give one answer, then Diggy will give one answer. It'll keep going until one of you can't answer anymore, and whoever is unable to answer, the other person gets a point. ठीक है? Okay. So the question is, movies where Shah Rukh Khan and Nasiruddin Shah have appeared together.
चमत्कार।
Okay. Diggy?
मैं हूँ ना.
Yes.
कभी हाँ कभी ना।
Yeah.
चाहत.
Yeah.
कितनी है? Can you give me a?
So there are 3 left.
3 left.
One was in the question just before.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh God. Do cameos count?
Yeah,
Which
cameos
ways?
count.
Cameos count. I mean, of course. नफरुजा का cameo तो है मैं हूं ना में.
There are 2 left. They're both a little obscure.
Okay. I don't think I know. कभी हाँ कभी ना, चाह दीवाना. Is it Army?
No, it's not Army.
Fuck. Yeah. No idea.
Preeti anyway has one more than Diggy, so she'll get the point. But do you guys want to try to guess which one it is? There are 2, sorry, which 2 they are?
Dil
Yeah.
Ashna?
No. Okay, I'll just tell you. These are both obscure. One is Hey Ram and the other one is Gaja Gamini.
No way I was getting this. Oh God. No way I'm getting this. No way.
1996 was a pretty bad year for Shah Rukh Khan. So what other 2 films flopped alongside Chahat? And this is just after DDLJ came out. That's why I added the question.
Preeti?
Preeti buzzed first.
Oh yeah, oh darling, yeah, India and Dil Ashna है?
Both incorrect.
बताओ
Oh
Diggy.
God.
Go ahead.
Is it Ram Jaane and Duplicate?
Also both incorrect.
Fucking hell. Are you giving hints now?
I can give a hint. So I'll give one hint for each. One is a movie we just watched, just released rather, and another is a movie that you guessed incorrectly for a previous question.
I can't keep track of my answers. मुझे नहीं पता. Army? Is it Army?
Army
One
is
is Army?
correct. Yeah.
And one you said Karan Arjun. No, that's a
No.
hit. Fuck, no. That's a hit.
Preeti?
But you said he said it just released, you said.
No, I said we just released an episode.
Oh, English Babu Desi mein.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Diggy gets 2 points for that. So I'll tell you the scores really quick. It's Preeti has 4 and Diggy is at 3. I have like.
I was at 5, no?
How were you at 5? Question ये तो 6th question था.
पहले 2-3 तो मैंने किए थे. क्या
हाँ.
I think 5. पूरा स्कोर तो 5 होगा ना? क्योंकि I got those multiple चमत्कार वाला 3
That
points.
is नहीं उसके एक ही point था मैंने बोला था. Like whoever gets
Okay.
gets more movies will get it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
तुम्हें उसके हारे के 1 पॉइंट मिल रही थी अपने लिए.
पर तुमने इसको 2 पॉइंट दिए उस एक आंसर
अभी
के कि
इस
2 मूवी
question-
हैं तो.
That's because the question had 2 movies in it. Like that question was different. Preeti, I'm the quiz master. I set the rules.
The question was
Okay.
multiple 7 movies. तो
Yeah,
जिसको
मतलब
नहीं आया
even if
वो
I
ले
give you
लो.
3
Yeah.
points for that, then I'll give Diggy 2 points for that. So it doesn't make a difference. So you get 1
ठीक है.
point.
ठीक
ठीक
है.
है. Okay, next question. What was Shah Rukh Khan's full name in this film?
Diggy.
बोलो.
Sorry, मैं busy हो गई.
Oh, do you want middle name also?
Yes.
Roop Singh Rathod?
Yeah, Roop Singh Rathod is correct.
वो सिंह ही था ना. I was confused कि वो middle name उसका father का नाम तो नहीं है. I don't know his father's name.
Okay. Diggy gets 1 point for that. So the next question has 2 parts to it, but it's for 1 point only.
Yeah.
So
If
there
you
are
get half, if you get one part, you get half a mark.
no, I won't give you half mark. So there
Okay.
are two other characters he's played where his name is Rathod. ID those instances.
Preeti,
Yeah,
Vikram Singh Rathod,
yeah.
Jawan.
This is why I didn't want to give a half point. I'll
हाँ, क्योंकि
explain
जवान was very
why.
easy. Yeah.
I'm trying to play some.
करो करो guess, मुझे तो नहीं पता है. सही guess मारूंगा.
करण में क्या नाम होता है? करण रंजन नाम क्या होता है?
So Diggy, you don't know at all. So Preeti, if you want to pass, then I can give a hint, and then you both can try again.
ठीक है,
I don't know.
पास.
दे दो.
Okay. So the hint is just listen to the question a little carefully. There are two other characters he's played where his name is Rathod. ID those instances. Like just pay attention to what word might be missing in that question, which will give you a hint to answer the question.
क्या कर रही है दीक्षा?
Sorry, say the question again.
There are two other characters he's played where his name is Rathod.
Yeah.
ID those characters.
तो एक सेकेंड, विक्रम सिंह राठौर में ही तुम बोल, लाइक व्हाट आर यू सेइंग? कैरेक्टर्स
Diggy.
में?
Diggy बोलो.
Diggy.
ओके, गोडी.
Vikram Singh Rathore and Azad Rathore because
Yeah,
his
that's
son.
correct. They're both in the same
Yes,
movie.
goddamn.
Question
Oh,
didn't have the word movie in it.
what a question,
I'm
dude.
saying just the characters.
व्हाट इज दिस दीक्षा?
What a question.
उस मूवी में दोनों
Oh,
बाप
man.
बेटे का नाम राठौड़ है. तो
Yes.
दोनों
Yes.
दोनों
I thought
शाहरुख
she
खान
क्या
का
मतलब I
missing है
got
भाई.
it,
She's not
like I
saying.
almost got it, but Diggy was like, yeah, cool, Diggy, go ahead.
Okay, so now Diggy's at 5 and Preeti's at 4. And there are how many
एक
Never
questions
सेकेंड,
would
एक
I
left?
सेकेंड,
thought
एक सेकेंड.
a
I have a
movie like
question. I have a
Chaat.
question. I said विक्रम सिंह राठौर ना, तो उसको
मैंने
तुम
बोला था
पूरा
आधे
और
So she
points
पॉइंट्स
said
नहीं
कि
नहीं.
part
होंगे.
points नहीं
हाँ,
मिलेंगे.
part points नहीं मिलेंगे.
That's why I didn't buzz. I didn't want to land in a situation कि मुझे कुछ नहीं पता.
ठीक है,
Okay,
ओके.
two questions left. So, what does Shah Rukh Khan
Yeah.
call Pooja Bhatt before he learns her real name?
Diggy.
प्रीति.
Diggy.
I said first. I said first.
Diggy
I
buzzed
said first.
first.
What are you saying?
प्रीति
Diggy
ऐसा ही
buzzed
होता
a
है.
full second
I
before you.
प्रीति
I
ऐसे ही
said
होता है. प्रीति
first.
एग्जैक्टली ऐसे ही होता है. मेरे साथ भी ऐसे होता है. मुझे लगता है आवाज बाद में आई है, बट इट मैटर्स कि
मैंने
दीक्षा
पूरे
को.
एपिसोड में बार बार बोला है, ये कैसे हो सकता है? जाओ,
हाँ, तो अब
कोई
प्रीति अब तुम्हें सहना पड़ेगा ये.
गुड.
को गाकर जिंदगी जी, जिंदगी जी.
Yes, Zindagi is correct. And
Oh,
I thought it was a fun coincidence that his only movie with Pooja Bhatt, he calls him
as
her
Alia Bhatt.
Zindagi, and Dear Zindagi
Dear
is
Zindagi.
his movie with Alia Bhatt. So yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, last question. There's a very popular movie and character where Nasiruddin Shah plays a Rathod. ID the character in the movie. Very time
Diggy.
pass question that I added. हाँ
Diggy,
बोलो.
Diggy.
Yeah,
जाने दियो जाने ना.
yeah, correct.
Yeah, he plays Jay Singh, Jay Rathore's father, whatever
Yeah.
his name.
Ranjhor the Rathod. I kept remembering
Ranjhor,
that when I
हाँ.
was watching the movie, so I just
Yeah,
added
because
that.
Rathore से मुझे कुछ ऐसे ऐसे कुछ चमक रहा था. Funny but like Jat type कुछ. Not Jat, but
Okay.
you know, Rajput.
So
Oh God, I won this
unbelievably,
quiz.
he has
Oh
won this quiz by like a
wow.
difference of 3 points after
Oh
being
my
like
God.
कुछ नहीं आता है. He is won.
Because a lot of the
And
questions you asked were like linked to the movie, but like outside of the movie.
yeah, because I didn't remember the movie.
हाँ.
But I
Movie
think
का question मुझे
Preeti
सिर्फ
knew all of
जिंदगी
the
आता
answers
है.
also. I think this was just a buzzer wala luck.
Yeah.
मोपिंग इन
Buzzer.
साइलेंस.
We need to solve the problem.
मैं बता रही हूँ, ऐप डाउनलोड कर लेते हैं, उस ऐप में करेंगे.
The only thing is वो translate नहीं होता ना into the podcast. Right now this is a conflict which is there. Okay, as big surprise, I win. Genuinely पता है मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं लगा था. मेरे को कुछ मुझे याद ही नहीं था. Like while watching the movie, I knew कि मैं खुद हार जाऊंगा because मैंने ज्यादा इतना ध्यान तो नहीं दिया है, and I didn't like the movie at all. But okay, moving on. Yeah, next movie, guys. Preeti, do
I
you want
love
to tell
Diggy,
people?
is so phased
Hello.
out. Okay, yes, guys, we are watching Devdas next.
Oh,
And we'll have a special guest coming up. This time, we have my friend Suruchi from my college days, like who, yeah, we watch all SRK movies. Used to watch SRK movies together. So yes, she picked Devdas. I think I have picked Devdas in turn of her because I know she will pick that one. So yes, so she's coming
मुझे
and
लग ही रहा
it's
था
gonna
कि
be
दोनों
fun.
मूवीज में से प्रीति देवदास ही चुनेगी देखने के लिए, क्योंकि अभी बहुत पैशनेटली बात कर रही थी इसके बारे में ट्विटर पे और गाने वाने डालती
मेरे
थी
को
इंस्टा पे।
देवदास बहुत पसंद है, मेरे को देवदास एज लाइक
I
या
don't feel
लाइक
strongly about it, but पता नहीं, maybe I'll feel differently when I watch it now
सेम,
because
yes.
I've only
आई थिंक
watched
आई
it
वॉच्ड इट एक ही
बचपन
बार
में.
बचपन में।
Same,
So
yeah.
so yes, that's why we are watching Devdas, and I'm pretty excited about it.
Awesome.
Cool. All right.
Thank you for
चाहते हमने
listening.
काफी बात कर ली यार. We should probably think about cutting these times down. But okay. Anyways, good times. Good times.
Yep. See you guys
Thank you for
next week
listening. If
or
you're
whenever
listening,
we
4
record
people.
and then publish.
I just checked and सुन ही रहे हैं यार. 100 डाउनलोड तो आ ही रहे हैं. Which is like a lot, I feel, considering we are not promoting things anymore. But
Chalo.
yeah.
See ya.
Cool.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.